Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. I remain Skibo Alajimba Omemboji. Please, I don't have much time to spend here. My attention was called. There is this video trending online concerning this their saga with J-Pack and Ogechi Okeke. One particular video my eye just called on my attention, saying that my boss, Seaman Global, I know that most of you have seen that video of Ogechi is saying what J-Pack actually told her, that our boss, Seaman Global, even when at this thing nice because my name was mentioned and I want to clear the air. My name was mentioned. I said to myself that this saga, Megan now, that I will never put my hand or put my leg, because even if you want, where are they active now for TikTok? Nothing concerning with this blue app again. This blue app now is just for me to drop adverts. My about TikTok, because I don't even get strength for all these ones. Because waiting they happen for Facebook now na Takashimanya. So I'm here to debunk one news trending that my boss Seaman Global Nebuaiga Hotel Bianyanwa. Of all my time with Seaman Global in Enugu, Anambra was just business. Time or dekwano. Eligенwe time. It was just business, marketing land. So this rumor now flying, I will call it rumor because it never happened. Seaman is a well-disciplined man. I don't know who is trying to bring him down with all this fake news. Or one cannot do, saying that a whole Seaman Global and a Omenagega Hotel, big in when did that happen? Something like that never happened. Something like that never happened. All our time in Enugu and Anambra, Abuja was for just real estate and nothing more. Seaman ebi to be kwenemonwa, ebi to be mianwa, onwoke self on a married man. They focused in his real estate business. So I just see all these things as a way to bring a man down. Do to get a church or I'm okay, or guy okay, church. To the extent that my name was mentioned. This a big one, a big one. I don't know how true this whole matter is, but I am here to debunk this news that Seaman Global J-Pack and this is all lie, fallacy, woo. All my time with Seaman Global was just for real estate and marketing his land. Finish. This is total lie, fallacy, accusation. Boy, I don't know the right word to use, but in fallacy. Seaman na-eme ihe nwa. Nwoke dị no married now. Okay, they married just for me to wake up and atom video. For even him, he called me because Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ewa arobam. Ihe saga. Nde mara mgbe ibidoro. Some of them will rest. Because I'm begging you, I say I'm going to push your war with anybody. But him na arioge wo because nwanyi ọma that particular video, ị nwere ike igbupụta ebe ahụ aha Seaman Global nọ, because this thing now, this thing is just to tarnish someone's brand, the brand that he has struggled for years to build. Ya wuru nonsense, okwu na-enweghị na-abaghị na ihe ga-abịa ebe spoil ihe nwoke na-ebuild wala since how many years. Ya gakwa pụta ya wụkwa n'ọnụ otu n'ime ndị na onyere aka. I don't know how truth this thing is. Now una know as una dey communicate. Imo to gala je pack shidri before mere ihe niile aji na apụta. No one put mouth phone, but biko nwanyi ọma, biko bupụtụrụ m Seaman, and aha kem na anọ ịsa a na-ebi m nwa yasị ebi gacha etu. You tell me ma okwu, but this thing now, imagine this person no kpọga aha now is a married man. How will the wife feel ma ọ na-ahụ ihe ndị a n'ihu akwụkwọ? And no one when shy there for the background, from him na na video no will be a Skibo. And I'm here to tell you people that something like that never happened. All my time in Abuja and Enugu and Anambra was just to market land, mawa, and I get paid, mawa. Please, you people should debunk that news now. Seaman Ujikwa Obim, ye BJ Park. Biko, Obi to be Mumbo, all my time with him in Abuja was business only, strictly business. Strictly business. I told me ihe ọbụla onu mege ọgbasadum, but onye na-akọkwa, onye na-akọ kokwa ke mere eme. Kokwa ke mere eme. Hwe ihe on chọchọ anọ nwoke du, ọnụ anọ mmadụ du. Ise big nwe big Skibo. Biko onye adọbatakwala m na ihe unu mege. Anọ m mgbe unu kọrọ ihe unu kọrọ. I'm not there, but arịrịọ m rịọga wụsụ onye tụkwala m biko akpọla m biko. Unu chọgodo ịkpọ m akpọ ya unu kpọ m na okwu bara na ihe ọwụ ka ejikwa ebi nwa ya wuru ebinonia onye chọkwara biko. So guys, debunk the news na our oga jikwa ebi anyị nwa buru tu ye BJ Park ye buru bim ashi. Seaman Global I know is for just real estate only. Real estate only. My time with him in Abuja was just for business. We market his land and we get paid anyawa. So guys, I have a TikTok match this morning with Apama and Rolex. Catch me there if you're on TikTok. Just search Skibo Comedy 7. Eba nkam nos. On Facebook, akwarala mpo. TikTok wongam nowhere. So come and watch my live match with Prophet Rolex and Apama by 9 o'clock dot. The match video. I will still post the artwork. God bless you all. Because them na Chicago. Biko video ka just mine aka n'ọzọ gafee nọ n'ọzọ biko ejim Chineke ya ọgụ nne m biko Ogechi nne m ke just delete tụrụ m ya game izi aka n'ọzọ biko I beg you na mgbe ịtụ aka na enwe ihe na ele bekee chana mma nọ na enwe otu na-eme ya. I said the gidre I say paragraph ma wo any space another chapter biko dibie ego na n'ike onye ji aha ya emega ihe ke biko nne m biko ọwa ya ugodi so we ihe agwara ga ọwa ashi na lie. Something like that never happened. So guys, catch me on TikTok. I have a live match with Apama and Prophet Rolex. Come and show your boy love there. Na ihe ndị mere m n'abalị na TikTok. Apama makpuwere m n'ala, anọgidere m n'ala. Hey, so let's try again this morning. Peace and love.